Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to multiply two matrices in Matlab. So to begin with, let's go ahead and define some dimensions for our matrix. So we'll say n equals 10, k equals, say, 3, and m will be 5. Now what I've done here is I'm going to multiply an n by k matrix with a k by m matrix. You have to have the inner dimensions of the matrices match, or else you won't be able to do matrix multiplication. So let's go ahead and define A. I'll just make it a random normal matrix with parameters n and k. And I'll define another matrix B. Well, let me print that out and show it to you. Here's A. You can see that it's a 10 by 3 matrix. I'll make another matrix B, rand n, and remember the inner dimensions have to match, so we'll do k by m. And you can see that that's 3 by 5. Now, in order to multiply two matrices in Matlab, it's very simple. All you have to do is type A times B. And that will produce a 10 by 5 matrix multiplied matrix. So there's your answer. Now, a thing about matrix multiplication is that you can take transposes. So suppose that I wanted to do B transpose times A transpose. That produces this matrix. If I transpose it, you'll see it's exactly the same as A times B. A times B, like so. And it's a logical array, and it all matches, oddly enough, except for this entry here. I think that's because we're doing floating point comparisons. Let's check it out. Here's this matrix. And here's another matrix. It must be due to floating point. This just goes to show that you can't always trust the output of a comparison when you're looking at floating point numbers. But anyway, I hope you liked this video on how to multiply two matrices in Matlab, and I'll see you guys in the next video.